My name is Muhammad Akram. This is my story for Colorful Heritage. I came from Pakistan, Faisalabad. I was in ninth class over there. So my brother sent me to England in 1961. I came here on London Airport 22nd of June 1961. Then we got trained to come to Bradford. That's what somebody gave us address to go there. We came Bradford. They got Kashmir coffee over there, and they got house. We go their house and stay there. When we first came here, we are just looking the every building is same. There are so many tree and this and that, on the road. And I live in 42 Parkland in Bradford 5. They got the coffee about mile and a half mile away in the town. We used to go there and eat over there when I have no money, Where I live, there was some people live who is from Jhelum and Gujarat. We are mostly friendly on that time, I go to Leeds to join my cousin and work there. I work there in a clothing factory they call Summary. We worked there 2 or 3 years. Then we moved in Rochdale. I was working in Rochdale cotton factories. Then in Rochdale I was working in buses 3 years. I've got married in 1965, and my wife and we lived with my cousin in one house. We remember the warehouse, Uncle Tanda. I used to go there in warehouse, and he was very friendly, He's talking nicely. The warehouse was on the ground floor, and he lived on the top of the warehouse, first floor, I think. They sell everything, man, child, ladies, this and that, So they sell everything in the warehouse. We bought new house in Rochdale. My friend said you can start marketing. They used to go Newport marketing. I go with them and got a stall over there. We used to go from Rochdale to Newport for weekend, and we bought a shop over there. My wife was doing a shop and I was doing marketing. Then I couldn't get very well in marketing. Then I started to work in Cadbury. I worked there about 2 years. Then we moved here in 1976. I went for 2 months in Pakistan. Then I came here. I started to work in the buses. When I came from Pakistan, I applied for the buses job because my license is over, the Rochdale license is over, and I passed again here. I was working in Larkfield Garage for 20-25 years. Working in the buses there's a clean, and you can enjoy to drive the bus, and in the factory you have to go there and stay 7 or 8 hours inside. When I start the work in the buses, they were very old buses in the shed, in the garage. Now it's every new buses in the garage. They are very easy to drive. They are automatic, this and that. There was always a good time and bad time. Sometimes they just go there and break your window, and go away. And sometime when we go the late shift, they were broke so many windows, so many wasp windows. When the Oxford Street Mosque fell down, the Tafael Shaheen, he bought the place over the Clyde Center. It was 2 or 3 floor, where we used to read the namaz. I couldn't remember when they opened the Clyde Street, over the Clyde Street. and we came from the Rochdale to just celebrate something like that here, and they opened the Clyde Street Mosque, which was Sheen got the place and gave it to the Muslim people. They got the big hall over there where we used to read the namaz. The Imam was Hafiz Shafiq's brother. I used to work with my friend in garage, bus depot, and we meet in the mosque. When we go there in the mosque, we meet each other, and we are in got a Pakistan Corporate Society. We pay there. They will arrange for the funeral body and this and that, everything. They pay the funeral for everybody. When we joined in about 19 before 1980, it was only few pound on that time. Now it's £100 a year, and they will arrange everything funeral for funeral cost, this and that. My advice is for the younger people, younger son or grandson, this and that, everybody, to go to read the namaz and be a friendly for everybody, with everybody. Advices to the wife and husband, just be a friendly to everybody, each other. That's it. Don't fight, don't this and that.